Hello friends, welcome to Bankers Platform. So friends, in today's session, we will discuss about doorstep banking. So doorstep banking services. So friends, as you know, this doorstep banking services is getting popular among customers in this COVID situation because every customer wants that get they should get the services at their doorstep. So let's see what are the main points. These points will be very important for bank promotion exam and also for JIB exam. So let's see friends, what are the main points. So friends, doorstep banking. So DSB full form will be doorstep banking. So PSB Alliance is an umbrella setup of all public sector bank jointly offering important customer oriented services envisaged by government of India under ease of banking reform. So friends, doorstep banking में जो है आपको पता PSB Alliance है, जितने भी हमारे पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक हैं, these all public sector banks are in this doorstep banking. Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Central Bank, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, State Bank of India, UCO Bank, and Union Bank. So these all banks have alliance together. And friends, जो doorstep banking है, this facility will be given by the service provider. Two service provider are there. First is Atyati Technology Private Limited, and second is Integra Microsystem Private Limited. So this question can be asked, which service provider will provide the service under doorstep banking? First is Atyati Technology Private Limited, and the second one will be this Integra. Atyati and Integra will be there. So these two will be providing the services. So friends, let's see some more points about it. So friends, here one point is that you have to note, that is this doorstep banking is one such initiative taken by PSB Alliance through which customer can avail major banking transaction services at their doorstep. It is being implemented with the help of doorstep banking agents in 100 major centers. So 100 major centers जो होंगे friends, वहां पे ये फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. ओके, and PSB Alliance comprising 12 public sector bank being anchored by, so UCO Bank जो है that has anchored this PSB Alliance. Okay, UCO Bank will be the lead bank in this. Jointly have engaged MS Atyati Technology and MS Integra Micro System Private Limited to provide doorstep banking. Okay, and through universal touch points facility to customer of 12 PSP banks in 60 and 40 specified center respectively. Okay, so there will be 100 major centers. So 100 centers will be there. So this is the main point. And let's see some more points about this. So friend, this is the presentation of doorstep banking. So in this doorstep banking, let's see more points. So friends, here PSB Alliance. For PSB Alliance, the full form of alliance is aligned for long-term lineup of initiative across nation for customer excellence. So this will be the full form of PSB Alliance. So alliance full form is this. This you have to remember. It may be asked in your exam. Okay, let's see next point. That is important. So here, doorstep banking to increase customer convenience. So 12 frequent transaction available at doorstep banking and availability to lodge and track request from comfort of home, and all 1 point of access across all PSPs, and 3 hours for time bound delivery. So friends, जो भी delivery होगी under this, that will be in 3 hours. 3 घंटे के अंदर friends जो भी service है that will be provided, and 12 frequent transactions are available in doorstep banking, and availability to lodge and track the the request from the comfort of home. So one can track this request, and 1 point access. So from one app, customer can book their service for all the PSPs. Let's see next point. So friends, target. इसमें फ्रेंड्स कौन से कस्टमर हैं जो टारगेट हैं? सो फर्स्ट इज सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए है ये, डिफेंस पर्सनल, CRPF, विडोज, ओके, दिव्यांगन इंडिविजुअल्स, दिव्यांग इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट्स, salaried employees, corporate clients, retail shopkeepers. So they all will be covered in this doorstep banking. They are the target customer. और इसमें friends, retail shopkeeper and street vendors will also come. Okay. Our next point is how this will work. So friends, you all would be knowing this, how this is working. Firstly, customer will place the request through app or customer care or web portal. So 3 points are there. सो 3 ways आर देयर, 3 तरीकों से फ्रेंड्स जो कस्टमर है वो अपनी रिक्वेस्ट डाल सकता है, मोबाइल ऐप के थ्रू, कस्टमर केयर के थ्रू एंड वेब पोर्टल. सो 5 easy steps to lodge check pickup request. So in that, notification will go to bank and notification will go to service agent. So then the this agent will go to the bank and he will collect whatever the request is there and he will provide the service to the customer. So in this way this will be done. So multiple channels are there that I have already mentioned. So these are the number may be asked in the exam or may not be, but you can know this. This is the number. These 2 numbers are there from where customer can make the request, and mobile app is there and web portal is there. And website is www.psbdsp.in, public sector bank doorstep banking.in. So this is 3 ways. So friends, next point is that customer comfort top priority in the entire process. So in this, service delivered between 3 hours. So the service friend, जो भी service है वो 3 घंटे के अंदर that service will be done. Okay, multiple channels are there and reach out to customer in 11 region language. So in this 11 languages are also provided. Geo tagging of agent for real time monitoring and adherence to safety norm during COVID. So what are the facilities are there? Doorstep banking. First is cash deposit and withdrawal service at customer doorstep. So in this it is written October onward, but it is started. So cash deposit and withdrawal facility is started in this doorstep banking. So these are the services which are provided in doorstep banking. Non-financial transactions are checkbook, DD, and payment order. So in this, pickup of these checks and DDs. Okay, and new checkbook requisition slip is also provided. 15G 15H forms, I income tax challan, standing instruction request. These are 5 non-financial transaction and these are non-financial transaction, and more transactions are, these are pickup for pickup purpose, and these are for delivery. For delivery, account statement, non-personalized checkbook, DD, POs, okay, and this prepaid instrument, gift card, TDS, Form 16 issuance, and term deposit receipt and acknowledgement. These are the non-financial transactions. These will come for pickup purpose, and these will for delivery. ये delivery के लिए होंगी friends. Okay, let's see next. So these are the main points friends which will be covered in this. So this will be covered in 100 cities. Okay, and all public sector banks are there, and in this 25,000 dedicated bank staff and 1,000 plus agents will be required in this, and to service more than 19 crore customers. So this is all about friends doorstep banking, and these are the 100 doorstep banking centers are provided. List is provided for pan India, so you can go through this if you want. So friends, thank you friends, thanks for watching. This is related to doorstep banking, and this can be a important point for you because in bank promotion exam many things can be asked from doorstep banking because it is getting popular day by day, and government of India and our DFS, they are also putting a lot of effort for making this successful. Thank you friends, thanks for watching, have a nice day.